Salam. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Grand Rising. Welcome to today's video. We just got to Luxor. We've been up in Giza for the past like 3 weeks, and we just got to Luxor this morning. We actually took an overnight train, which went surprisingly smooth. Like, it wasn't too uncomfortable. And yeah, this is our spot now. I'm up on the roof. It's gorgeous. I like Luxor a lot better than Giza was really cool, don't get me wrong, but this place definitely just feels like you can breathe. It's not a bee. It's more of a like a farm, like farm town village style, or small town feel, as opposed to Giza, which is like the big, just really chaotic. So it feels good to just be in a more peaceful place. But we're actually about to go to 2 temples, I think, today. Maybe we'll go take a boat on the river tonight, but it should be a little more low-key of a day, a little more slow-paced because we're all running on like a couple hours of sleep for like the 3rd night in a row.
Now that you're gone and we falling out, I can't stop thinking you're all I go on about. These are the colors that come. These are the colors that come. These are the colors. These are the colors that let you know what you have always known.
Welcome to my crazy family. After we make the full inside, then we remove the linen and we start to polish it. Okay? And we keep the vase in the oven and we cover it with wax. With wax, the color will appear. Beginning like 10 kilos. You can guess now how many kilos? 5. 6, 3, 7. 300 grams. Much bigger than Alabaster. Much bigger size. We're selling outside. Just come from our business one. Okay? This one is too nice.
I just wanna know